Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Looking to surprise mom this Mother's Day? Show her love with 4 simple, delicious meals, from breakfast to dinner. Let's make her day unforgettable. Start her morning with heart-shaped pancakes, fresh berries, and a hot cup of love, coffee. Keep it fresh for brunch. Try avocado toast topped with eggs, or a colorful smoothie bowl packed with love and vitamins. Lunch? Let's go with creamy pasta and golden garlic bread. Comfort food that tastes like a warm hug. End the day with a showstopper. Baked veggie lasagna and sparkling juice. Candlelight optional, but recommended. Because every meal is a chance to say I love you, Mom. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more love-filled recipes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Click the link in description for more details.